Comrade President, please once more accept our deepest and sincere condolences to you and your entire family. Comrade President, it gives me great pleasure on behalf of the young lion of SWAPO to stand here and deliver a remark at our last ordinary Central Committee meeting that is here today. Today is indeed a day for all of us at SWAPO Party Youth League to look back at our political journey and to take stock of our achievements as well as some of our challenges and our future plans. Comrade President, over the years, we have gone through different leadership phases, and we are pleased to say that we have been inspired by your visionary leadership and wisdom throughout. Why are we not giving it? We are inspired, Comrade President, by your visionary leadership. You have taken us through during the most difficult part of leadership I think this country has ever seen. As we prepare to close, Comrade President, Comrade members of Central Committee, we prepare to close or almost to the end of our 5-year stay. Because SWAPO Party and its wings, we are busy renewing the mandate. To us, a Central Committee, we are also close to the end of our term. We do so with great determinations and hope, for we have tried our best to ensure that the aims and objectives of SWAPO Party have been high through all of us as a transmitting belt of SWAPO Party ideology, programs, and its policy. Comrade President, Comrade Leadership, Comrade SG, during our term, well, we don't claim that we have perfected, but we have tried our own means to perfect it. Now, I want to call on all the councillors that are among ourselves to stand up. SWAPO Party Youth League councillors.
¡Viva Legislativa! ¡Viva! ¡Viva Legislativa!
¡Viva! Comrade Governor, can you also say, the media, please, I want you to record them. Wait, Pohamba always says sometimes if you don't see it, maybe you can touch it. You can also touch them. We have Honorable Governor for the mighty Kunene region is there. Members of Central Committee of SWAPO Party. We have Honorable Emmanuel Sikongo, Councillor, Regional Councillor for Utapi constituency. Yes, we can see in SWAPO we say district. We have Comrade Hans Aikali, Regional Councillor for Etai constituency. We have Honorable Fanny Kaundu, His Worship the Deputy Mayor of Molekulu. Their worship. Yeah. This is a priestly thing, it's not our business. Then we have Honorable Sam Sapishuna Noyoma, the councillor in Windhoek, in the city of Windhoek. Then we have asked questions.
You are not done.
Oh, Oh, sorry, Perongo. We have Honorable Joaniki there. No, we are coming. Hold on. In the municipality of Arandes. Then we have Comrade Norman from Korihas municipality, town council, municipality, right? Town council. So they are there. You see, sometimes media you come and ask me questions, what have we done? Those are the honorable councillors. Those are the honorable governors. They are in charge in their respective constituencies. Thank you very much. You might be seated. During our journey, we have been hard at work. And it's our wish that those honorable, when they are in their respective constituency, municipalities, cities, regions, they will do what they need to do. Comrade members, this room is full of young leaders. I think I have done that. We have taken note, Comrade President, as I have indicated, that we have taken note of the social challenges that are facing our people. And in many times we have been at the focal point where we have heated argument, heated debates, whether with the leadership, with the aims of improving the situation and the conditions of our people. And we continue to do that as a transmitting member of SWAPO Party policy and programs. Unemployment is the highest challenge that is on our disposal, which has hit a great deal of our peers. But we remain ready to fight for the betterment of the life of our youth. And indeed, it will be easy, but we have the determination that one day we will overcome all the social challenges. Comrade President, lastly, allow me to once again salute you and thank you for making time to come and have this Central Committee officially opened. Fellow young lions of SWAPO, let us unite. Let's remain united and determined to safeguard our party legacy. Let us defend our party at all costs and let's continue to roar. Long live Dr. Hagegenko, long live. Long live. Long live Dr. Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah, long live. Long live. Long live Comrade Sophia Nahango Shalingwa, long live. Long live. May the spirits keep Comrade Marco Hausiku alive wherever he is, and long live to the mighty SWAPO Party. Long live.